Hey guys, this is how you fill out the form on Wonderland Prints. You go into artist name, you put in your name. I'm going to put in my information. I have a Gmail account. If you're in the US, you put this, otherwise you put international. My phone number, in case you guys don't have it, which you can get on the website, is this. Then you just hit next page. Alright, so you're going to see that takes you to the photo section. Depending on the size of your photo, if it's square or whatever, you just select that type of image aspect ratio. We need a certain minimum pixels, so then you put in something that is greater than the minimum value. So we have a 3200 pixel square image, and this will just be like a test, but you put your photo title in there. You simply select any type of image that's relevant to that title, and then you can change the price to something higher than the minimum if you want, and you just submit it. Alright, that's it. Simple as that. If you're a new artist, we're going to ask you to complete this form, which is a licensing agreement. You just fill in your name, again, over here, and your email address. Gmail address here. And then this is us telling you we're going to pay you the 40% commission on the gross profits of the sale of your metal prints. Then you just submit that. Right? And then since this is an agreement, you select this, you continue. This is already filled out. You go to sign. It'll create a signature here. You can change that if you want, but then you can just sign that and then click the finish button. And then that's it.